Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we take you into the world of extreme performance, radical engineering, and next-generation hypercar technology with the Czinger 21C. This machine is not just another hypercar, it represents a revolution in how cars are designed, engineered, and built. The Czinger 21C comes from an American company that has shaken the entire automotive world by proving what advanced AI-driven design, 3D printing, and extreme aerodynamics can create. This car is more than power and speed, it is a complete rethinking of the future of performance vehicles. The Czinger 21C is a hybrid hypercar built to deliver extreme acceleration, precise control, and jaw-dropping top speed. What makes it special is that almost the entire structure of the car is created using advanced 3D printed components. Every part is designed by AI algorithms that calculate the most efficient shapes for weight reduction and structural strength. This is why the 21C looks like a machine from the future, with a slim, fighter jet-style cockpit and aerodynamic channels flowing around the body. Its design is not just made to look good. Every curve and every opening has a purpose, guiding air perfectly to maximize speed and stability. At the heart of the Czinger 21C sits a 2.88-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with advanced electric motors. This hybrid setup produces mind-bending power, allowing the car to generate over 1,250 horsepower, with some versions pushing toward 1,350 horsepower. This massive output means the 21C delivers acceleration figures that challenge some of the fastest cars ever made. In fact, the Czinger 21C has set multiple track records, proving it's not just about straight-line numbers but real-world performance. The car is built with the driver in mind, delivering a balanced driving experience that makes every millimeter of throttle response feel razor-sharp. One of the standout features of the Czinger 21C is its unique seating layout. Just like a fighter jet, the driver sits in the center, and the passenger sits directly behind them. This central seating position provides perfect weight distribution, improved visibility, and a pure, focused driving feel. This type of configuration was seen in legendary cars like the McLaren F1, and Czinger brings it back with a modern twist. The cabin is filled with high-quality materials, futuristic digital displays, and lightweight components that enhance the performance-focused environment. Every part of the interior is designed to reduce weight while ensuring the driver feels like they're controlling a precision-built machine. The hypercar's aerodynamics are one of its most impressive aspects. Czinger's engineers used advanced computational tools to design a body that slices through the air with almost zero wasted energy. The large front openings, flowing side channels, and aggressive rear wing are all part of a system that maximizes downforce. The car offers two variants, a high-downforce version for maximum track grip and a low-drag version designed for insane top-speed runs. This means the Czinger 21C can dominate on both the track and the highway, depending on how it's configured. What really sets the Czinger 21C apart is how it is manufactured. Instead of using traditional factories, Czinger uses what they call a human-AI production system. Engineers feed performance requirements into advanced AI software, which then generates the most efficient shapes for each component. These components are then 3D printed using lightweight alloys, assembled by robotic systems, and fine-tuned for strength and aerodynamics. This method reduces waste, increases efficiency, and allows engineers to create shapes and structures that are impossible with traditional manufacturing. It is not just innovation, it is the future of automotive engineering happening right now. On the road, the Czinger 21C feels like a combination of raw power and futuristic precision. The hybrid system gives instant torque, and the compact V8 delivers an incredible roar that feels alive. The acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour happens in less than 2 seconds, putting it among the fastest production cars ever created. Its torque vectoring system, aerodynamic balance, and lightweight construction allow it to corner with unbelievable sharpness. Every movement is controlled, stable, and responsive, giving the driver complete confidence even at high speeds. This is not the kind of car you just drive, it is the kind of car you experience. The Czinger 21C also represents a new era in sustainability for hypercars. Even though it is incredibly powerful, the hybrid system helps reduce emissions, and the efficient manufacturing design limits waste and environmental impact. Czinger proves that extreme performance does not have to come at the cost of the planet. By using digital manufacturing and intelligent engineering, they are creating cars that are both high performance and forward-thinking. When it comes to exclusivity, the Czinger 21C is extremely rare. Only a very limited number of units are produced, making it a collector's dream. Each car is built with exact precision based on customer specifications. Owners can choose different aerodynamic packages, interior materials, performance settings, and even unique color combinations. This level of customization ensures that no two 21C units are exactly the same. It becomes a personal statement for the owner, combining art, technology, and performance. Driving the Czinger 21C is like stepping into a different world. The moment you sit in the central cockpit, you feel the power surrounding you. You grip the steering wheel and hear the twin-turbo V8 growl behind your seat. When you hit the accelerator, the electric motors give you instant launch, and then the V8 shoves you into the seat with brutal force. The scenery around you becomes a blur. The car reacts instantly to every movement, whether you're cornering, braking, or accelerating. It is one of the closest experiences to piloting a jet on the road. This is a machine built for those who want to feel the future of speed. Over the years, we have seen many hypercars push boundaries, but the Czinger 21C stands apart because it redefines how performance machines are created. Instead of relying on traditional methods, it embraces 3D printing, AI, hybrid technology, and extreme aerodynamic science. The result is a car that feels like it arrived from 2035, not 2025. Czinger has set a new standard for innovation, proving that the future of the hypercar world will be digital, intelligent, and highly efficient. This car is more than numbers and records, it is a symbol of progress. It shows how creativity, modern technology, and passion can work together to create something truly extraordinary. For anyone who loves speed, engineering, or futuristic design, the Czinger 21C is a masterpiece worth learning about. Whether you see it as a track weapon, a technological marvel, or a piece of advanced art, the Czinger 21C earns its place in hypercar history. Thank you for watching this detailed look at the Czinger 21C on Autoland 2025. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more incredible automotive content. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.